like to be Samoan, trying to deal with Samoans and Tongans and Tokelauans and Niueans and Palangis and Indians. Because India itself is multiple in its diversity, yeah? So these are 100 different ethnic groups in India. What we wanted to do was to show you what makes up AIGA. And AIGA is just one part of Z.
रेशम सांस खुली है मथम मथम ये तो इशारे हैं अकलो होश नमी दानम हम है दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है All the hot girls put your hands up and say
Hey guys, how are you? I'm really sorry that I can't be there tonight for your great Heroes Awards. You know, I was at your previous AIGA Family Heroes Awards, and I really enjoyed the time celebrating with you guys, celebrating what you do, what you've done, and celebrating the great year you've had. You know, I'm really sorry I can't be there. But hey, look, Sally and I, we're currently tripping around a wee bit. We're about to drop over to have a look at Alcatraz, you know, where all the Americans put their bad people. That'll be really interesting. So if I could be there, I would be there. But I just wanted to wish you all a great night. I hope you have a fantastic time. You know, it's been a year, the first year for AIGA, and I think it's been a year that is very deserving of a big celebration. I know you're going to have one tonight, and you know, there are going to be people that are going to be awarded prizes tonight. They're going to get their awards for being the best concierge or the best CSR or making fantastic coffee. But I got to tell you, I've seen everybody in AIGA stepping up to the plate and doing a fantastic job. So I want you to make sure that you celebrate as a team today, celebrate as a family, celebrate everyone, and especially celebrate the people who have been put on the pedestals and win the awards tonight, because you know, you've always got to celebrate the winners. And I think you know, when I look back and have a look at the year and see where you've come from the starting point a year ago to where you are now, you guys have just done a wondrous job. I think the way you wow your customers, your guests, and the way you look after your sites, your homes, is second to none. So look, I just wanted to really I just wanted to be part of it, but you know, I can't be there, so you've got this video instead. I just want to pass on my best wishes to you all. I want to congratulate you all. You know, you're having a party in a pretty bloody good venue with some pretty good people, some pretty big guests on the way, and they're with you to celebrate. So take the time, really enjoy it, and have a great night. And I'm looking forward to seeing the videos and the photos of it when I get back. So there you go. Have fun. Whakamihi, takaro, e noho rā, which means congratulations, have fun, and bye for now. Be good. Cheers.